Where is the Singaporean economy as compared to pre-pandemic levels? Have we gotten to those levels yet? And does that give policymakers here at least a bit more room to perhaps tighten the screws and perhaps tolerate a potential slowing down of the economic growth trajectory here?
I think we basically have a very strong 3 quarters under the belt, so it's really not a concern as far as the full year 2022 growth concerned. I think going out from here really is what happens with the tug of war between inflation and recession for the major economies, be it the Eurozone or UK or the US. We have a bit of a wind under our wings as far as the services sector is concerned. Given that the strong pipeline of MICE events coming back and the return of overseas visitors, I think that would help to offset some of the weakness that we're starting to see in the manufacturing sector. And I think that also means that the services sector will have to do the heavy lifting from here.
Selena, can Singapore avoid then, on balance, a recession in 2023? Because what really stuck out to me in terms of the commentary was how MAS really seemed to be managing expectations towards the growth outlook next year and managing them lower. Downside risks have intensified. GDP growth will come in below trend in 2023. Can we skirt a recession here?
Well, I mean, if you look at the third quarter numbers, we have skirted a technical recession for Q3. Out into 2023, there is a high level of uncertainty. For now, I would say that my growth forecast would be kind of like in the 1 to 3% range. Of course, there is downside risk depending on what happens with the major economies. I mean, if you look at what's happening in the US, the Fed seems very determined to continue to hike rates aggressively, despite a growth slowdown. So policymakers seem to have, pivoted to a stance where they are willing to risk some of the downside growth in order to bring inflation back down. And I think that's really what is troubling, a lot of people these days. At what point would the policymakers start to pivot and say that, okay, the growth slowdown has gone far enough? It may not be so shallow or it may not be so short-lived. And I think that's really the risk that is staring us in the face for 2020.